In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze keyword performance in Google Ads. Whether you're just getting started or you've been running campaigns for a while, understanding exactly how your keywords are performing is the fastest way to improve results and spend your budget wisely. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Once you're in, head to the left-hand navigation and select Campaigns. This gives you the big picture view of how your campaigns are structured and where your traffic and spend are coming from. It's helpful context before you dig into specific keywords because a keyword's performance always depends on the campaign and ad group it lives in. Next, click Insights. This area highlights trends, shifts in performance, and search interest your ads are tapping into. Use it to spot themes, rising queries, changing demand, or unexpected spikes and dips. Insights won't replace detailed reporting, but it sets the stage by showing what's moving and why it might be moving. Now, open the Report Editor. This is your flexible workspace for building a clear, customized view of keyword performance. Here, you can assemble a table that includes the fields you care about most, such as keyword, match type, campaign, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, cost, conversions, and cost per conversion. Seeing these side by side makes it easy to connect activity to outcomes. Then, click Search Keywords. This is where your actual targeted keywords appear, along with the metrics that tell their story. Start by scanning impressions and click-through rate to gauge visibility and relevance. High impressions with a low CTR could mean your ads aren't resonating with the searches you're showing up for. Low impressions might indicate limited reach or competition that's outpacing you. Shift your attention to conversions, conversion rate, and cost per conversion to understand which keywords are contributing to your real goals. A keyword that drives steady conversions at a sustainable cost is a keeper. One that spends without converting may need different messaging, better alignment with landing pages, or a rethink of its match type. Quality indicators can also help you understand whether your ad and landing page experience match the intent behind each keyword. As you review, look for patterns over time, not just one-day spikes. Are results consistent across days or weeks? Are certain keywords strong in one campaign but weak in another? These patterns point to where adjustments could have the biggest impact. And that's it. By opening your account, viewing campaigns, checking insights, using the report editor, and reviewing your search keywords, you'll have a clear, structured way to evaluate performance and spot where your keywords need attention. Keep revisiting this process regularly to stay ahead of changes and maintain strong, goal-focused results.